This is day 5 of only eating what I can catch or forage until I reach 10,000 followers. Woke up today feeling pretty low energy, so I splashed some water on my face and continued foraging, looking for some carbohydrates. I found these unripe plantains. I'm going to make some patacones with those. So I took those. Then I found some durian fruit, but it was not ripe either. So I picked up these ciruelas and some red ginger flower. Then I found some mangoes, picked those guys up. Then I ran into the local neighborhood rooster. He's looking pretty tasty. Then I saw his family. I'm going to have to hunt these guys soon, so leave any comments for ideas on how to catch those. Then I cooked up these patacones, smashed them, made sure to fry them real good, plated everything up, including that leftover kohinoa from yesterday. So I'm ending the day with 1,223 followers. Please follow to help keep me alive.